Hello, my name is Luke Elwell, and I'm the Director of Quality here at PartsLine, and I'm here to show you our new EEPIC lab. Next to me here is our 3D scanner. Essentially, the way the machine works is it shoots lights down onto the part that reflect back up into the machine that creates a 3D model. This 3D model can be used to pull dimensions, curvatures, and surface finishes of a part. This can be used for reverse engineering and inspection of our final product. Over here, our quality engineer Japin is using our 2D optical comparator. Essentially, it has a backlit configuration that creates a shadow on the part that can be used to pull dimensions and/or reverse engineer a component. Here in my hand is an X-ray gun, which is used to determine the types of metallic materials in a part. It shoots X-ray beams into the metal that creates a breakdown of the elements in the metal, which pulls back to a library and tells you exactly what kind of metal the part is. This is an FTIR machine. It shoots infrared into organic materials. Based on the absorbance of the infrared beams, it tells you exactly what kind of organic material the part is.
And my name's Chris Fest. I'm the Director of Engineering here at PartsLife, and I'm going to take you a little bit through some of the electronic reverse engineering equipment that we have here in the EEPIC. So if you look behind me, right here is our X-ray reverse engineering inspection device, and what this can do is the evaluation of a circuit board down to about 7 layers without destroying that circuit board, so that we can develop new Gerber files to substitute for obsolete electronic components that are no longer being manufactured. As we move a little further into the EEPIC, you can see in this back corner we have our prototyping station. It's fully outfitted with power supplies, waveform generators, signal generators, and any kind of breadboards and soldering equipment that may be required to replicate a small electronics system so that we can do testing of individual components. Over here you can see a full blue laser scanner. This has about a 2.5 meter arm reach that we can go and do a full scanning of any kind of electronic system so that we can see the individual locations of components across the board. And then what we can do is take that information back here to PartsLife to create a new technical data package that has all of those locations mapped out. As you step across here, you'll be able to see this is our circuit card reverse engineering device. Basically, what it allows us to do is clip onto the individual components and test them for functionality and usage requirements. Overall, the EEPIC can be fully packaged up into the middle of this unit, shipped anywhere on the continental United States or anywhere internationally as needed. Thanks for watching.